Hey, this is Sharon from Cold Creek Nurseries, and this is my plant of the week. This is Mockorange, is the common name, and this variety is called Pearls of Perfume. So you can already see the buds all over this. It's fixing to bloom. Blooms in spring. Neat thing about this plant, it's kind of informal. It would look great in a garden. It would like afternoon shade, but it gets about 2 feet or it can get 10 feet. So you can keep it at 2 feet or you can let it grow as much as you want to. It could be a specimen. You could even plant it as a hedge. It is deciduous, so it's going to lose its leaves in the winter, but it's well worth it. For when these blossoms open, it smells like orange. It's like an orange blossom scent, and it is wonderful. So it would be well worth to have this in one of your garden beds.